Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Messenger. You will click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we're scrolling down until you find this window of Messenger and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.